sweethearts, I have got two long dupattas in different colors. I have got an idea. Come, let's style together. I'm starting with the cotton petticoat tied tightly 1 inch above the belly button. I'm taking the dupatta, then measure equal distances on the dupatta. Tuck the center part, leaving two corners. Take tiny pleats on each corner, tucking them on either side. For center pleats, pin with safety pins in 4 places for a neat look. I have got this gorgeous long red dupatta, starting with front pleats, each secured with a safety pin. Once I reach my desired pallu height, it's time for the magic. Arranging the front pleats and measuring for that stunning half-saree look. A portion from the front pleats, creating pleats again for a lehenga-style half-saree. Picking up the back, bringing it around my left waist and pinning on my left front side. Now I am adding the final touch with a hip belt for that complete show-stopping look. Here comes my final outlook of lehenga style half-saree draping. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting styles.